We got the Scout back from Protofab up in Mayer, Arizona. They are a Bronco bumper manufacturer that is now going to start manufacturing Scouts thanks to us. But man, look at these welds. Look at this fab work. So this is the rear bumper. Tire, swing out. Jerry can, swing out. It'll make them open. Make yourself useful. So we'll still be able to access the inside. They lock open. Really solid work. Super solid work. And this is the front bumper. We're gonna have a winch up front, obviously. But they wrap around, both the front and the rear wraps around the body, hugs it nicely. Really, really good work. We are incredibly thankful that they took this project on because they are Bronco people and they took on a Scout and they made it work, and it looks super good. We have a little bit of work to do on the both front and rear before we paint them, and then we'll be on to the next step. It's not too far off.
No. I just had it set for a Bronco wheel spacing. That's not even a Scout wheel spacing. So it's
evidence of your excellent communication techniques again.
I don't think either one of us thought about it.
Definitely have to add a license plate holder.
It's already there. They incorporated it.
Oh, okay. That's cool. Yeah. Are we putting lights in the bumpers, or did we decide against that?
Which one? Which kind of lights? Like backup lights?
Something.
Oh, no.
Okay. New mounting points. Now they're about to get tucked in. Mike had a bunch of Steal It and rattle cans and just decided to finish the job this weekend, so hopefully in a day or two they'll be back on. Just need to let them sun cure.